How to buy first Memecoin to the moon token. See, this token came under the symbol of IRIDIA. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 3 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 9 right now in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your function wallet for that. Now go to your wallet from here, as you can see. Okay, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here's how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much to receive, as you can see. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy IRIDIA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.